Hey, it's Ree with WTI. If you really care about your hair care as much as I do, then I will let you in on my little secret. It is this rosemary essential oil by Maple Organics. Oh my goodness, this has made such a huge difference for me. I've noticed, and I've had friends tell me, that since I've been using it, my hair has gotten softer and fuller and looks thicker. While there are other uses for rosemary essential oil, I use this along with castor oil and the scalp massager as a DIY hair treatment. I really like the smell of this rosemary essential oil versus others. I find it to be a little less sticky, and the texture and smell is just my favorite over others. I add about 3 drops of rosemary essential oil to a half a tablespoon of castor oil. For me, this is just the perfect amount for my hair, and I try to let it sit at least 30 minutes before I shampoo it. I add this mixture on my hair and then use a scalp massager to work it all the way through. Now, another thing that I personally found to be helpful is that I really need to rinse it out in warm water for a few minutes before I add shampoo. So if you want people to start stopping you, asking you what your hair secret is, you might want to check this out. But that's just my point of view.